Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard. Book summary. Hello, welcome to Self-Empower. Today, we are going to dive into the teachings of Neville Goddard with his fascinating book, To Feel is the Secret. If you have ever wondered how your feelings and emotions can transform your reality, this video is for you. Let's get started. Fundamental principle. Goddard begins with a powerful premise. Our feelings and emotions are the master key to unlocking the life of our dreams. But how does this work? According to Goddard, what we feel internally is reflected in the world around us. If we feel joy, love, and abundance within ourselves, these feelings manifest externally. The law of attraction. The book delves into the law of attraction, a universal law that suggests we attract what we feel. If we focus on lack, we will attract more lack. But if we focus on abundance and prosperity, that is what will come into our lives. Goddard insists that it is crucial to maintain positive thoughts and feelings to attract what we desire. The power of the subconscious. One of the most fascinating aspects of the book is the power of the subconscious. Our subconscious mind plays a crucial role in forming our reality. Goddard teaches us to nourish our subconscious with positive thoughts and feelings of success, love, and happiness to see real changes in our lives. Visualization techniques. This is where the book becomes practical. Goddard proposes visualization techniques. Imagine living your dreams now. Feel the excitement and gratitude as if you have already achieved your goals. This technique is especially powerful before bed when our mind is most receptive. Faith and belief. Faith is a pillar in Goddard's teachings. You must believe in the process and have faith that your feelings and visualizations will manifest. Doubt and fear can be significant obstacles, which is why Goddard emphasizes the importance of maintaining unwavering faith. Stories and examples. Goddard uses real stories to illustrate how people have applied these principles successfully. These stories are inspiring and offer practical insight into how to implement these teachings in our own lives. The dream state. The dream state is a time when our subconscious is extremely influenceable. Goddard suggests using this time to reaffirm our positive desires and feelings, thus reprogramming our subconscious while we sleep. Practice and persistence. Regular practice is key. It is not enough to visualize it once and forget it. Goddard encourages consistency and persistence, even when the results are not immediate. Patience and continuous practice are essential to see the fruits of our inner work. Integration into daily life. Goddard doesn't just talk about big goals. It also emphasizes the importance of applying these principles in daily activities. It is about living each moment with the feeling that we already are and have what we want. Conclusion. In summary, Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard offers us a profound and practical guide on how our feelings and emotions can be the key to creating the reality we desire. Through faith, visualization, and working with our subconscious, we can transform our lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Feeling is the Secret. Remember, your feelings are powerful, and you are in control. Until next time in Self-Empower, where we will continue exploring the power of the mind. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.